Mobility access modifications. Emergency access solutions. Lift-off hinges. Lift-off hinges are installed on inward opening bathroom and toilet doors, providing easy emergency access to persons in distress due to falls, faints, or other medical emergencies. They have a grab handle installed, which is used in conjunction with the door handle to simply lift the door off the hinges and remove it safely, giving quick and easy access to the person inside. The door may then be easily reset. For more information or to place an order, visit mobilityaccess.com.au.